I'm taking out my mini twist today, and if I wanted to, I feel really confident that I could go a few more days, maybe even another week, but I have made the decision to take the twists out because I put them in very loosely because I have fine hair and I don't want my hair to get matted at the roots. And so I think, what is this? This is 12 days I've had the twists in. So I think this is enough time to enjoy them. And my scalp is really itchy too. So I think I'm just going to take them out today and shampoo my hair and just start something fresh. But yeah, this is what my twists look like. And I was really proud of them because I have fine hair. And the very first time I did mini twists, my hair was just really, the twist looked okay, but too much of my scalp was exposed, in my opinion. And I really wanted to perfect the style so that I could feel comfortable with it. But here's what my hair looks like. And like I mentioned, I put my twists in very loosely. Here's what I want you to see as to why I really think it's time to take them out. This is the back of my hair where I have very low density hair, and it's the finest and the thinnest in that section. And I just don't want to have that hair lock up and intertwine with itself and cause problems. I know it looks a hot mess and it was much neater when I first put them in, but yeah. I know. Yeah, I think it looks really bad, y'all. But you see why I need to take them out, because there's one little section back there that looks real pitiful. And if that hair locks up, I'm going to be in a big mess, and I don't want to have to cut it. I don't want to have any hair loss back there. It's already sensitive enough. So I'm going to take down my twists so that I can shampoo, and feel some good cleanliness and some good nourishment on this scalp. I think the hair jewelry is so pretty. Just a really nice way to accessorize your twists and give a little pizzazz to your style. But be careful taking these out too. Because what I did, and I don't know if it's the same for everyone, but when I put them on my twist so that they wouldn't immediately slide off, I had to pinch them to really be secure onto my hair. And now, for some of them, I'm having a hard time getting them off. So I'm having to really take my time so that I don't pull my hair out. But I'll use them again next time too, or maybe find some different styles. I picked these up at my local beauty supply store just to try them, and they're really cute, but I know there are several more styles out there that I can try. And I want to share a tip about taking down your mini twists. What I do is just pull all my hair into a band or a clip or something, and that keeps them all together so that when you're ready to take a twist down, I just grab it and pull it down. So this way it ensures that you don't miss a twist, because then you'll have to move all the hair out the way and then take the twist out, or untwist it rather. But yeah, so just a quick tip: when you are taking down your minis, pull all the hair together, and then just pull the twist out one at a time, and that ensures that there'll be no twist left behind. And I know I said I was gonna shampoo my hair, and I still might, but at this point, I think my hair looks so good. I think I may just maybe try to rock this for a day or two, unless my scalp starts itching really bad. And I'm not going anywhere, but I just like the look of it. So I may wear this style, the twist out, for a couple of days. Another tip I'll share too is when you're installing your mini twist, use a cream or use a styling product that you really like one of your favorites, because when you take it down, all that good product, look at that, it's still in there. And you'll still have shine and definition, unless maybe you keep them in a really, really long time. But yeah, just make sure you use a product that you love, because if your goal is to wear the twist out for a week or two, wear the twists for a week or two, and then wear your hair as a twist out, you've still got great shine, and you can achieve those two styles from one. Okay, y'all, I'm nearing the finish line. I just have this little section left, and here's what I'm looking like so far. And my hair really reminds me of water wave crochet hair. To me it does. It looks just like it. It mimics it rather. And I haven't done crochet braids on my channel yet, but I love crochet braids, and water wave is my favorite pattern. And then after that is Go-Go Curl. And the brand that I prefer is Freetress. And I'm not a big online shopper, so that's why I just typically stick to crochet hair that I can find in my local beauty supply store. And I don't know why, I just don't shop online. I like to touch things and feel them. So I shop online maybe 5% of the time, and which is not a lot. But everything else, I just typically order from the beauty supply store. But yeah, look at my water wave. I think the product that I used to install these mini twists is so moisturizing that for most of these, especially in the front where I can see what I'm doing, I just put my thumb in at the base and I can just slide them right on through. That's the sign of a good moisturizer. Let me see if it'll work with this one. Now that I've told y'all, let's see. Yep. And the styling product that I used was Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. It's my first time using it. And when I posted that video, I got great feedback in the comments that that was a great product. And I didn't use a leave-in or anything with it. I just used that one product. And as you can see, it's kept my hair moisturized. After 12 days, it's shiny. And the definition, I will be using the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La again very soon. Okay, friends, all of my twists are out, and when I tell you, this is just perfection. I love it when things go right with my hair. And I normally wear my hair over to the side. Look at this. I have a whole nother style. I could do it this way. I could do it over to this side. I'm in love. So, friends, I just want to share my twist out with you. I've done a few twist out mini twist videos before, and then I've always gotten the comments, well, you know, what did it look like when you took it down? So that's why I recorded it for you today. I hope that you are not disappointed, because I'm not. So if you can get 2 styles out of one wash day, go for it. It's a time saver, and you know, you get to switch up your style. So thank you again for watching till the end of the video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Friends, I have me a second style. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.